Kia ora. My name is Adrian. I am one of the guides for Earth and Sky, and I'm standing right here on top of the beautiful University of Canterbury's Mount John Observatory. And today I'm going to give you the answer to probably the coolest question in the field of astronomy, at least to my humble opinion: what happens when a massive star dies? If you want to hear that answer in Japanese, just click the link above. So when I'm talking about massive stars, I'm talking about 8 times the mass of the Sun at least. So, pretty big star. And when they die, well, you might have guessed it, it's not peaceful at all. We call that a supernova, or to be more precise, a type 2 supernova. So during its entire life, the star is in balance between 2 main forces. You have gravity. Gravity wants to bring things together. Gravity wants to crush the star. And then you have nuclear fusion reactions happening at the core of the star. And these forces will counteract gravity and will tend to swell the star. So the star will be in balance between those 2 forces in what we call the hydrostatic equilibrium that will give it its kind of roughly spherical shape. So, gravity will be there forever. However, nuclear fusion reactions will stop at some point, once the star runs out of light elements to fuse. And for a massive star, that can happen after just a couple of million years. And when this happens, well, no more nuclear fusion reactions to counteract gravity, so you got it. Gravity wins. Gravity will strike hard. So the core of that star is just a very tiny amount of the star in a massive object. A star can be several billions of kilometers in diameter, and you have that very small core that is the size of the Earth Moon. Just to give you an idea, it will go from that size to the size of a big city, just a couple of tens of kilometers in diameter, in the 1,000th of a second. 1 millisecond. That's fast. And that is so fast that ridiculous amounts of energy are created during that collapsing. And this energy will blow out the outer layers of the star. So when you see a supernova in the sky, you see the star exploding, but it's not just exactly that. All that explosion started with the implosion of the core. And what you see, the brightness that you see, is actually the outer layers of the star that are going away at very high speed and heated to extremely high temperatures. So when this happens, when a star dies, it is actually an act of creation. You know, the star builds all the heavy elements like oxygen, carbon, iron. All those elements are built by stars, and they're trapped inside the star during its entire life. So it takes the star to die to release those newly formed heavy elements into the universe. So a dead star is actually the beginning of many, many other things. So if you want to find out more about dead stars, living stars, nebulae, or anything else, you are very welcome to join us on an Earth and Sky tour. We do run tours in English, Mandarin, and Japanese, and if you want to find out anything else, you can just click one of the links above the video. Am I missing something? You guys are all waiting. Did I say something?
That's
I know the links are